Want to send money to loved ones in Nigeria quickly and securely? This video will walk you through using Worldremit, making sure your transfer is smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, open the Worldremit app or go to worldremit.com. Select Nigeria as the receiving country. This is super important for setting up the correct transfer options. Now, choose how you want your recipient to receive the money. You can select bank transfer directly into their Nigerian bank account, which is convenient, or opt for mobile money if they use services like Paga or MTN Mobile Money. Mobile money is often faster. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. If it's a bank transfer, you'll need their full name, bank name, and account number. Double-check these. For mobile money, you'll need their full name and the phone number registered with their mobile money account. Accuracy is key to avoid delays. Now choose how you'll pay. Worldremit accepts various payment methods, including debit cards, credit cards, and sometimes even bank transfers. Depending on your location, select the option that works best for you. Note that some methods may have different fees. Before confirming, carefully review all the details of your transfer, including the amount, recipient information, fees, and the exchange rate. Make sure everything is correct. Once you're happy with everything, click confirm and complete the payment. You'll receive a confirmation message with a transaction reference number. Share this number with your recipients so they can track the transfer. Keep in mind that transfer limits and regulations may apply. Worldremit will usually inform you of these during the process, and that's it. You've successfully sent money to Nigeria using Worldremit. For more tips and tricks on international money transfers, don't forget to like and subscribe. #SendToNigeria #WorldRemitNG